From the Helpdesk dashboard, tap Create to start building your new Helpdesk. Pick an icon that stands out. Type a name. Stocky Desk instantly suggests a handy abbreviation. Add a quick one-line description so users know exactly what this Helpdesk is for. Next, set up your ticket categories. Tailor them to fit the issues your team sees most, then click Save. Stocky Desk gives you 5 ready-made stages for ticket progress. Feel free to rename or reorder them. And remember, you can have up to 6 stages in total. Define your ticket priorities. Clear priorities keep the team focused on what matters first. Hit Save and Next when you're happy. Time to set an auto-assign rule. Choose which team members should grab new tickets as they arrive. Pick a work schedule so tickets only count towards SLAs during active hours. Need help? Pause here and watch our Create a Work Schedule tutorial. Finally, build the ticket form. Core fields are locked in, but you can add your own. Text, drop-down, date, whatever you need. Use the 3-dot menu to tweak labels or make a field required. If the default form covers everything, just skip this part.